Hello everybody and welcome to another RT2629 restoration video. In the last episode we got the chassis resilvered and it looks absolutely stunning. Now in this video we're going to show you how we resprayed some of the individual bits before putting them back on the chassis, but before any of that Tim has got to do a repair on one of the rear brake cylinders.
So here is one of the rear brake cylinders. Now these have got new seals to go in them, so we need to take them apart and see what the condition of the cylinder's like. So it's quite oily in there, which is from the auto lube system, but we'll clean all that out before we put the new seal on. And there is the inside of the brake cylinder. We'll clean it up and have a closer look. Now hopefully you can see these score lines in here. Now that's from years of the piston going up and down. So what we're going to do next is use a honing tool and just take the top surface off so it cleans that back up for the new seal. So put some standard engine oil around there, and then that's the honing tool with the 3 stones. So put that into the drill. And I'll just wand some pressure onto there. A little bit more oil in the stones. So you'll start to see already, if we look inside there again, it's beginning to get rid of the scratches. There we go. So hopefully when we clean that up all those little scratches will be gone this time. There we go, like a new one. So I've cleaned the piston and up here where it was all full of gunge up, and we're just going to take the old seal off, he says. Once it started coming out, it's a little bit easier. very stiff and solid seal. Wonder when that was last changed. So, put the new seal on. Because they knew it was hard on the other one as well. There we go, one new seal fitted. Put that back together in here. Plenty of compression there, so hopefully when we test those out on the bus they'll work well.
Well, as you can see, the last few individual pieces from the chassis are just about ready for paint. Alan and Tim, they're just braking, clutching everything off, and then we're going to get the spray gun out. It's taken us days to get to this stage. It doesn't look much there, but there's an awful lot of work gone into cleaning up all those individual items behind me.
So here we've got a nice lot of shiny silver parts all ready to go back on the chassis. Let's get our overalls on and start fitting some bits. So first job, let's start with refitting the brake cylinders. And then that lines up with that L about there. You can slide those.
Try not to scratch it. It's only the fucking outside of the bus.
Hope it come out for the next person that takes it apart. If you go little.
So, you got it?
Yeah.
Hey.
If you go vertical at your end there. Have to feed it under like that.
You ready? Is this feeding the brake cylinder?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that, won't it? Because the input's on that side.
Leave all that loose, Dave. I'll have to jiggery about with it.
Okay. The cap's on the floor down there. Oh, your feet.
There's the other one on.
No, where is it?
There.
Yes, there.
On the copper washer. looks nice and neat, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right, it's worth taking things apart in it to do it like that.
Yeah. You'd have never got it looking like this if you hadn't done that, would you? It's almost a shame that when you grease up the prop shaft and you take it for a run down the road, it's going to chuck a load of grease all over the fucking place. Isn't it?
Is that the camera?
Well, it wasn't a camera, but the camera would have picked that up.
Hmm.
Do you want me to do it?
Being non-PC, the swear words.
Oh. Sorry, I did one swear then. Sorry, mother. Where's this fucking thing go?
So that goes.
Onto that there, I take it. And the longest job, putting a bus back together, is unpicking masking tape.
That's your end.
Which is my end?
This is your
That's
that goes this side. Other way up. It must go. Can't cross under the thing like that then.
You sure? Wait, I can't even see where it's supposed
Might
to be.
go at your end for a second.
It must come this side of the silencer then. Did it not come this side of the silencer, Tim?
I think it goes up there, doesn't it?
No. Can't do.
No?
No.
Where do you think it goes?
It definitely comes underneath this, doesn't it?
Yeah. Ah, does it go through here? It's got to go along this side of the frame, you see, because it goes to here.
Where's it go to?
Here. By here.
It's going to come in this
Ow.
way. Oh shit, sorry. Sorry, look. Just kicked him in the head. No, don't go through there, does it? If it does, well that, no, that ain't going to go through there, Tim. Because you're not going to get that on.
It must go up here. Come out of there again. Meanwhile, scratching on the pencil. It must go up there, like that. That sits up there.
Yeah, that's not like it.
That's what I like it.
Can you get your end on first? Or do you want to get...
No, leave that like that for now, Dan, because I need to... This end's all stuck.
Should I just nip it?
You can do. Is that on?
Yeah.
So that's 90% of all the bits we took off and painted back on the bus. We've spent hours reassembling everything nice and neat and making sure everything's greased and put together properly. So we're going to start the bus up and see what the brake cylinders do, make sure everything's working. that's pleasing news. The brake cylinders are working, so it means that our seals that we've put in and the honing that we did has all worked, so it's all been worth it. What was happening before is there's a telltale at the top of the brake cylinder, and it was blowing air out between that gap there, which is when it's the air's blowing past the seals in the brake cylinder.
So there you have it. That is everything back on the chassis and looking like new. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you have, remember, hit that thumb, give us a like, and if you've not done so already, please subscribe. From me and Tim, until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.